Dr. Julian Jones is a University of Maryland's Asian Division Director. He's also one of the professors teaching a series of Maryland courses in support of the Air Force's Project Warrior. Dr. Jones, would you tell us first of all, what is Project Warrior?
Well, first of all, I should tell you that it's the brainchild of General Lew Allen. I think General Allen summarized it very well when he said that Project Warrior is a continuing study of military history and the principles of war necessary for us to meet the challenges that lie ahead. In other words, he's urging the serious study of war, both its theory and practice, and its history. That's basically where it comes from.
And how does the University of Maryland get involved?
Well, General Allen specifically urged that civilian universities should offer courses and seminars and non-credit short courses on these kinds of subjects, so that's how we picked up the ball.
And what does it actually involve here at Yokota?
Well, at Yokota, we began talking with the base librarian and with the education officer in order to work out some cooperative moves as far as Project Warrior is concerned. To do these kinds of specialized courses that I'll be telling you about in a second from University of Maryland, we needed to be sure that we had the right books in the library, which meant purchase of books. We had to be sure that we had facilities and publicity, which meant that the education officer needed to give his blessing to it. And of course, in anything of this nature, we would want to get Colonel Howard's approval and support. So all three of those people were involved.
Okay, and what are the courses that you have scheduled?
Well, we've already run 2 courses. These were 2 short courses, non-credit public service courses that Maryland puts on from time to time. One was on the subject of the Chinese Army in recent history, and that was done by our Asian Studies coordinator, Dr. Talbot Huey. He is a specialist in that field. And Dr. Mary Newman did one on communicating between the sexes in the service. Both those courses were offered at the library. Currently underway is Psychology 309, the Psychology of Aggression, taught by Dr. Deborah Richardson, she'd never forgive me. She's doing a very interesting course in which she brings to bear her own background in aggression and aggression studies. She's published many articles in the field. That's underway right now. You can't sign up for it. The next course that a person could sign up for is one called War and the Future of Mankind. This is a 1-semester-hour course that meets on Saturday the 19th and Saturday the 26th of February. That's coming right up. And that course deals with a history of warfare up to nuclear weapons, and it asks the basic question, why do men fight? Why do nations go to war? It'll use films, lecture, discussion, and so forth. I have a special interest in that because I'm teaching it. And the last course in this particular series on Project Warrior is one taught by Dr. Jim McLennan called The Sociology of Terrorism. Dr. McLennan has offered this course at the Pentagon and elsewhere in the States, and he has become somewhat of a celebrity here in Asia because the course has been written up in Stars and Stripes and some of the Japanese media as well. So that will be offered next term, term 4, and you can register for that sometime about March 20th.
And who can take these courses?
Well, in theory, anyone who holds a high school degree, though I would suggest that probably anyone taking the courses should have a basic course in the field under their belt. So someone taking Psychology of Aggression, we hope will at least have had the introductory psychology class. Somebody who's taking my class in government, we hope would have the introductory history or government course. And the same is true with Sociology of Terrorism. Probably an introductory sociology course would be a good one to have first of all.
And what do you have to do to register?
That's the easiest question you've asked me. All you need to do is contact the base education office and ask to talk to a Maryland field representative. The field representatives can give you all the information that you need.
Thank you. We've been talking with Dr. Julian Jones, the director of the University of Maryland's Asian Division. For FEN News, I'm Navy journalist Paula LeClaire.